Diwali cleaning to ho gaya, but what is that one thing that you've missed which can make a huge difference to your career, your business, your money reality, and that is causing stagnation in your life? So it's not going to take too much time. Do you have clocks that don't work? And do you have locks that don't have keys? These two things can make a huge difference. Why? Because locks that don't have keys is basically a problem that doesn't have a solution, right? So get rid of those locks, phank those ko, or look for the keys or get the keys made. It's not worth getting the keys made. Clocks that don't work, either you chuck them or you get them repaired if you have some sentimental value, but do not keep clocks that don't work. Aapka waqt ruk jayega, your time will stop, things will just remain stagnant. And these are all symbolic, right? All of these things that we do are symbolic of things that, subconsciously affect our reality. So basically, if you have negative things in the house, swords, knives, antique wale knives, those are not causing good energy in your life.